In this video, we'll be showing you how to create a general service in RepairDesk. Creating a general service is very similar to creating a regular service. You'll have to follow some of the same steps. Once you get to the Add Service screen, you can enter your service name and click on the Use for Multiple Models button on top. This changes the layout for the screen as shown. You'll now be able to enter a separate set of entries for your general service. You can use a general service for all models. This tooltip will explain things in greater detail. Once you click on this button, you'll see more changes. Now you can select the verticals that this applies to. You need to select at least one. Once we move over to pricing, we can enter the retail price, promotional price, the tax class, and define whether it's hourly or fixed. In the additional info, as before, we can set our warranty and average job time. Once we're all done, let's click on Save. And we've just created a general service. And that's how general services are created in RepairDesk.